Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're going to be meal prepping some burritos so that they're ready for a camping trip. Let's get started. I just cracked open an egg, and it was 2 yolks in 1 egg. Come look. Oh my gosh, there's 2 yolks! What? Come here. Look, that came out of 1 egg, and that came out of 1 egg.
Wow, that's crazy. Never seen that.
Again, this is like the god chicken. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely check out this recipe and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.